Hey friends! So this is the last reveal video that I have going on right now. This is from the Not Just for Boys Kit Club in the a la carte section. So I bought all the pieces that they had, and this is the Pinkfresh Oh What Fun collection. And you know, the thing I like the best about Pinkfresh is they are so generous with the amount. I know you're getting crinkle. Actually, I know some people like the crinkle. I've met these people. And some people do not like the crinkle. Oh, look, it's a package in a package. So, you know, I could have undone this first, but I like to do like true unboxings with you guys and see it all the first time with you, because otherwise I feel like a big giant faker. Now, I sometimes lose footage, and that's different. All right, so this is just like the super soft stuff, so it's not going to help me with anything. So this is Pinkfresh Oh What Fun. And I believe there's 16 double-sided papers. So this is just the advertising, but save it because it is still Pinkfresh weight, and it is a bright white piece of cardstock. Awesome. So let's go through these. Oh, okay. So you get two of each. I guess you get two of each. The first one is called Oh What Fun, and the background is a pinky peach. That's interesting. I didn't even look at this too much because I guess I just didn't. I just knew if it was from Pinkfresh, I was going to want it. So very cool. All kinds of Christmassy icons. And then the next one, oh, it looks like little stamps of Christmas. That's cute. I love this blue tone that's in the collection. Gorgeous. The next one is called Christmas Gifts, probably for a good reason. These are awesome because they did it so that you could fussy cut them out. Okay, I'm not saying that that was part of the design process, but you can fussy cut them out and still have white around it. Cool. Now our background, I also like that mustard tone. Oh, really great usable background. It's that pinky peach, like I said, with a bit of an orangey red. See how orangey that red is? The next one is called Merry Everything. So there's these adorable frames, and this is reading to me like a periwinkle. And your girl here has a really big thing for periwinkle. Oh, all right. So now, see, now that looks periwinkle, and it's practically the same color, but this has more of a light blue vibe. I don't know. Very weird. So we've got these little pieces. I know people will be fussy cutting some of this out. Some of you that can do those itty bitty fussy cutting, I know you're going to do a beautiful job with that. Gorgeous. Oh, the next one is a bit of a map. How cute. So this is called Holiday Walk. So I guess it's like sidewalks. Guys, look at how cute it is. It has like big city buildings. This is a skating rink, a little cab with a Christmas tree on top. This person's out bringing gifts. So, all right, guys, it's precious. It's so cute. I don't know what I'm doing with it yet, but it's adorable. So this is a light blue with a white geometric. Absolutely easy to use background. All right, so this is one of those pattern papers that they do all the work for you. You pop a couple dimensional elements on the side and you're done. So we have all these old-fashioned Christmas ornaments on a really nice grid with a white core. I appreciate the white core, my friends. Oh, in the back side are all these big city buildings. And I already know that I'm going to fussy cut them all out and make a cityscape. I know that just from looking at it for a nanosecond, that's going to happen with that. And now I'm going to go out just a little bit with the camera because I know I'm going to run out of room. All right, so this next one is called Merriest Wishes, and they're stamps. So cute. You can do a strip of them. You can do a strip this way. You can cut them out. They were so clever. And look, there's a little bit of a, like a postmark there, and it says North Pole. Stop it. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, great background paper, white with like little twinkly stars and all of the colors of the collection. Ta-da! Next one, it is called Snow Globes, and it is gorgeous. My daughter has one of her best friends that she had all through high school, middle school and high school, collect snow globes. And they remind me of her now, and I think it is so funny. That is so funny. I almost feel like I should give her a piece of it. I'm going to send her a picture of it. Oh, great background. And this is bringing up this really great aqua that's in the collection, but it's not a super bold part of the collection. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. And now we have, this one's called Good Tidings. So it's a really great cut apart sheet. And I love that Pinkfresh, for the most part, will do different sizes on their cut apart sheets. They're not all 3x4s. So we have these longer pieces. We've got 2x2 squares. Gosh, I don't know. What is that? What is this size, my friends? You know what? You would think I know how to measure. Oh, 3x2. So cute. All right, so that's super awesome. Love the different sizes, like I said. Now, I don't know what I have for die cuts yet, but I think that would be so cute, fussy cut, as well as I would cut out this mug and a hug in a mug and, you know, pop them up on foam. So cute. Okay, I'm designing instead of just showing you, so I will stop. Oh, and then we have all the little words and the colors of the collection, and it is so awesome. You could get something and put a frame around one of the words so you could just, you know, read out Gather Together if you would like to. Or you can cut them all out and have tons and tons of titles. Oh, I'm getting ideas for doing that. Going down the side of a paper with all these words staggered. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Okay, those are our papers. We can see them all. They are beautiful. Okay, next let me show you. Do I go in order of excitement? I don't know. I'll just pick up the next thing. These are called the puffy phrases. There's 57 pieces. We have words as well as elements, like these, well, they're not for, I don't know, Christmas tree frondy things. And we have little stars. We've got little hearts in there. Oh, they're so cute. So are these supposed to be like exclamation points? I don't know. I think they're cute. Joy, love, December days, 'tis the season, holly jolly, twinkle. So cute. Spot on with the colors as well. Sometimes the embellishments are a deeper tone than the papers, but they were spot on this time, if that's one of the things that you look for. Next, we have the entire set, 57 pieces. Again, interesting. And these are the cardstock stickers, which are such great layering pieces. So now I told you on my last video, I have a really big thing about trying to use, if I'm doing a Christmas layout, let's say, and I have stuff out for Christmas layouts, I will pick this before I would pick this because I'm trying to use up the things that are super specific to the holiday or the theme, because these pieces right here, I can use anytime. So I don't know, do you guys do the same thing? I do that all the time. It's just the way I roll. So, oh, this one's upside down. So look at season of giving, good cheer, deck the halls, better not pout, happy days. So super cute. I like that we have circles and they look like the 1-inch circles. I have these epoxy stickers that I put on top of those and it turns them right into epoxy flare. What? I do. I'll show you when I use this. Okay. And then finally I have in my possession the die cuts for Oh What Fun. Look at the packaging. It is white with this little star print. They didn't do that on the stickers, but they did do that on the puffies. Awesome. Oh, and by the way, in the main kit for, let me see, I might be giving this away. The alphas that go to this will be on the site soon. That's what I can tell you. They're blue. Okay, so, oh, guys, I just chucked a little star, went flying. Okay, I found it. So this is the back of the packaging that shows everything in it. But what I'm going to do, for those of you that like to see, like I really like to see what I have. This is gray, so let me grab the white packaging. Let me come in just a little bit closer. And I'm going to open this up and show you exactly what we have. I think that would be fair. Oh, there's my little thermal arm. There's my little thermal arm. Hey, and by the way, I had a subby reach out to me. She watched a slightly older video recently of mine. And I just wanted to, you know, in case you're watching it, she said some of the nicest things to me. And sometimes, let me tell you guys, sometimes you need to hear something that's just kind, like unsolicited kindness. Thank you very much. I mean, it restores faith that there are good people out there. That's all. All right, carrying on. Little girl on a bicycle. These are, oh, let's see. Oh, they have to go this way. It's like a little branch all decorated. Stop it. Oh gosh, that gives me another creating idea. I have to stop thinking while I decorate. All right, so we have a wreathy bit, oops, with a pop out. So, you know, when you have to separate the little bits. So we have a couple adorable little bits there. Look at the little twinkly lights. So cute. This collection, guys, this is definitely my jam. Little tiny, it's a green heart on the blue that I like so much in the collection. Happy holidays. Candy cane, the word jolly. Little presents. Let's see. Do they go like that? Do they go like that? Like that? Oh gosh. They go like that. Gosh, it should not be that hard. Okay, season of joy, and there's black print on that, which I dig. See, like this word love, going on with that explanation like before, you can slap that on Valentine's if you don't get it used, my friends. Good cheer, joy, wonder, joy, love, peace, and there's little bits here to take out, so it'll be a little bit cuter than even what you see. A nice green label, some holly, oh, what fun. Some greenery. Here's some of those really great buildings. See, and that's really reading like an orangey tone. A cute little sweater. I remember a collection they had a couple years back with little sweaters in it. That's cute. An adorable little Christmas tree. Let's see. Oh, a little candy cane. Put it with the big one. Some stockings. We've got a Christmas bulb. The word Noel. This tag is beautiful. Okay, I mean, seriously, it looks like 4th of July to me. If I don't get this used, it'll get used later on. I love these collections, making spirits bright. Cute little star. Happy holidays, and it is like a little stamp. Poinsettia, December memories. An ornament. Let's see. We have merry and bright, merry making, together. So we have this really nice deep green. We've got a red as well as like coral. This is like coral with like a peachy color with it. Oh, this reads festive moments. We have deck the halls. A Christmas branch in the blue, which is super cool. Cheers. A little bow. Christmas Eve. A little coffee cup. You know, to me that looks like a hot cocoa mug. I don't know why it would make a difference, but we see things how we see things. Jingle bells. Holiday spirit. Merriest wishes. We have another ornament. A little bit more of, I'd call it greenery, but flora, I guess. Jingle bells. Oh my gosh, merriest wishes, holiday spirit. There's that ornament we talked about, and one more little golden star. So absolutely gorgeous goodies in this collection. If you are a Pinkfresh fan, I have a feeling that it's going to be hard to get this collection if you don't grab it really, really soon. I think it's going to go like hotcakes. So that is my opinion. Remember to use the packaging. Questions or comments, leave them below. And I'll leave the links down below for where you can get your hands on these goodies from Not Just for Boys Kid Club.